Hello, welcome back guys to Motorola channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to activate automatic screen rotation on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, first here you just have to open the settings page. Now in this page, go to the display options. And then in this display, scroll it down again until we'll find here the auto rotation screen. If you want to turn it on, you just have to tap on the button beside the auto rotate screen. Here I'm going to tap on it. And then for activate this option, which is auto rotate screen, we have a simpler way here guys. We just have to open the control center until we'll find here at the future there are auto rotate like this. So if you want to turn it on, you just have to tap on it. And here for the auto rotation, I'm gonna try it first. I'm gonna rotate my phone like this. And it will be a rotation automatically, guys. So yeah, I think it's enough from me. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon in the next one. Goodbye.